Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To add a new task in Outlook, click the Tasks icon in the navigation bar to open the Tasks folder. Then click the New Task button in the New Button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, simply double-click into the empty or blank area of the task list pane to open the task window. Then type the name of the task into the subject field. To set a start date for the task, click the calendar icon to the right of the Start Date field and select a date from the calendar drop-down. To set a due date for the task, click the calendar icon to the right of the Due Date field and select a date from the calendar drop-down. To set the task's status, click the drop-down to the right of the Status field and select the desired task status. To set the task's priority, click the drop-down to the right of the Priority field to set its priority. For longer tasks, you can enter the amount of work completed by using the spinner arrows on the % complete field or by typing a percentage directly into this field. To set a reminder for this task in Outlook, check the Reminder checkbox. Then click the calendar icon to the right of the Reminder checkbox to set a reminder date from the calendar drop-down. To set the reminder's time, click the drop-down to the right of the date and select a time. Enter any note or additional information for the task into the text area in the bottom half of the window. Like appointments and meetings, to associate the task with one or more categories, click the Categorize button in the Tags button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the task window. To mark the task as a private task, click the Private button within this same button group. To set the task as high or low importance, click either the High Importance or Low Importance buttons in the Tags button group. To save the task and add it to your task list when you are ready, click the Save and Close button in the Actions button group on the Task tab of the ribbon in the task window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.